Inductive reasoning is a dynamic cognitive process that involves drawing general conclusions from specific observations. Unlike deductive reasoning, which moves from the general to the specific, inductive reasoning starts with detailed observations and builds towards broader principles. In the world of biology, inductive reasoning is a cornerstone for unraveling patterns, forming hypotheses, and advancing our understanding of the complexities within living systems. Let's discuss few examples of inductive reasoning. Tracking the spread of a contagious disease in a population. Inductive reasoning, noting that individuals who come in contact with an infected person are more likely to contract the disease. General conclusion, inferring that the disease spreads through close contact, contributing to public health strategies. Studying the interactions between predator and prey populations in an ecosystem. Inductive reasoning, observing a decrease in prey numbers when the predator population increases. General conclusion, inferring that there is a relationship between predator and prey populations affecting ecosystem balance. Investigating the effect of sunlight on plant growth. Inductive reasoning, observing that plants receiving more sunlight tend to grow taller. General conclusion, concluding that sunlight positively influences the growth of plants. Studying the inheritance of a specific trait in a population. Inductive reasoning, observing that offspring tend to inherit certain traits from their parents. General conclusion, inferring that there is a genetic basis for the inheritance of traits in the population. Inductive reasoning in biology helps scientists derive broad principles from specific observations, advancing our understanding of the living world.